Good morning. Today on the bench we have this AIWA HS-PX30. This one also from Japan Special series. It is a bit damaged device. There are some marks on the casing right here, also right here, and over here a bit. But overall condition is not super bad, because when I checked the head looks very good and also not much used. Yeah. So right now let's then investigate what problems do we have, and we'll start to repair it. Most definitely we will have to change capacitors and do full service of tape transport. So let's start repairing this device. Straight away what I see is huge capacitors leakage. So let's remove the board and we will see what actual damage do we have. Okay, so we have signs of life. That's always a good thing. Yuck. Already what I smell is leaked caps. Mechanical part seems to be in very nice condition. Okay, so bad capacitor, bad capacitor, bad capacitor, bad capacitor, bad capacitors. So let's remove those and let's clean the board. Let's do that deep cleaning process. As you can see, those legs just corroded off. And surprise, surprise, those capacitors, someone told me that they are made by Panasonic. Look at those, they are not corroded. But actually we will see after the soldering them, but I think that they are not corroded. So let's look at the actual damage. Lots of corrosion right over here, lots of here, and also right here, lots of corrosion. So everywhere where was those bad caps, we have that corrosion. And look at that, all the markings are just going away from the PCB. Okay, so let's do right now deep cleaning, and after that I will be back. Okay, so I'm back after board cleaning. Straight away what I can see, maybe we will have some broken traces that we will have to repair, yeah. And overall condition is not super bad that it was like with PL30 that was in the last, I think, video. Okay, so right now let's oil all of those, not oil, but let's use the oxide on all of those switches, and let's remove those capacitors, remainers, those legs, and let's solder new caps on. So I'll be back after soldering new capacitors. So till then. Okay, so I have checked all the vias and they are fine. So right now let's solder all of those capacitors. Okay, so I have been finished with the PCB. So right now I'm gonna continue working with tape transport. So let's start working with tape transport. Okay, so I have finished with tape transport. So right now let's just solder PCB back to main unit and then we will test. Okay, so moment of truth, let's check. Okay, this part seems to be normal. It's In this case, let's grab some cassette. Okay, so we have sound, and of course device is working, but I can hear that azimuth is off, and also tape speed is off too. So I'm gonna just remove this cassette, and I'm gonna just try and set this device so that it will be perfect, you know. Okay, so let's assemble a bit more. Okay, so right now let's set first of all tape speed. So let's start. Okay, so tape speed is over here. Let's good. Okay, so let's set Dolby level. Set Dolby tape, and let's do this. By the way, those capacitors also were fine, and they are not leaked. Those are for after amplifier, before the headphones. And let's see. So that's a bit strange. Okay, so ground, then it's left channel or right channel. Okay, let's set them up. So let's start from right channel. Or let's start from left. Okay, so that is very tricky to set. Okay. And okay. Okay, so Dolby levels are set. Right now I'm gonna set azimuth. And as always, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, so I have done clutch rebuilding and also checked again that tape speed, and we got better results. And tape speed is not very off right now as it was before. I have done some photos that will be in the video. Okay, one more second. Let's not forget the screw. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just assemble the device and we will test it with some music as always. Okay, so I have already finished assembling the device. I have cleaned a bit the head, also done the head demagnetizing, fixed the head azimuth in place, and so right now let's just try it. So let's grab actually this cassette. Okay, so let's fast forward a bit because music just starts right here somewhere. Okay, so what do we have? Alright, fast forward, everything works just fine. I have also checked the parametric DSL and it works also very nice. As with earlier, just a black version. So this turned out to be very nice player actually. Just a few minor scratches and there's something that I just can't wipe out. Otherwise, nice unit, and it deserves some new home. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please consider supporting my channel, and as always, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!